Welcome to another episode of The Eighth Wonder. Today's episode, one new Palladium stock added to my $15,000 Robinhood portfolio, which is ETFS, Physical Palladium ETF, which is sponsored by Aberdeen Standard. Let's jump into it. Okay, currently the market's closed. It's 3:56. I'm on the west coast of the United States, California love. I don't look at the live. I don't look at the 1 week, the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year. Those are if you're a day trader, swing trader. I'm all about them long terms. So I go straight to the all. And as you can see, the three dips. This is my journey on my portfolio. So I started from here, and as you can see, it's gradually going up. So I got some good fertilizer in here. Okay. Currently that's what I'm at now at 15K. Which I'm up 6.13%. As you can see, even though the market's closed, I have 6 cryptocurrencies working for me. While the stocks, they take a little break. They're tired, whatever. They've been working all day, but I mean, I got those cryptocurrencies working. So I'm gonna push those guys along, and those troopers are, what was those troopers on? There's supposed to be some badass troopers on, Game of Thrones. The dragon lady, those Sullins. Those cryptocurrencies are my Sullins. Okay, let's get into it. Stocks. Currently I have 100. I got 192 assets under management. 200. I usually every 50 I celebrate. So once I hit 200 this time, I'm gonna treat myself to a Brazilian all-you-can-eat steak. So that's our mark for once I hit 200 assets under. To me, this is like my own game that I'm playing with myself, and at the same time, I'm learning about all these companies in the world. You'll see the light. That's the key to life. Okay. So I got 192 assets under management. These first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are all my monthly paying dividends. And anything monthly paying dividends, I'm gonna add them up here, and I'm trying to hit the 50 to 100 monthly paying dividends in that sector. So I'm still building. Today I'm gonna talk about the Palladium. My strategy on this Palladium ETF is because I invest in physical precious metals. I invest in silver mainly because of where it's at on price, and then I'll dabble with platinum because it's like on the lower end. It's under 1,000. If I catch it at 700, 800, I'm snatching it because I know those are good deals. Because I know, even platinum's been the highest precious metal. No, I take that back. Now it's rhodium is on the market now. I think 1 ounce of rhodium is close to about 5K. So I plan on in the future grabbing me one of those, but interesting game. But with palladium and gold, I wasn't able to actually, because to me they're higher on the spectrum of cost. So I'm gonna wait until they come down. I'll definitely grab silver and platinum. And then with since I'm not able to capture palladium and gold physically, I'll do it through the ETF. So we'll talk about that. Let me go scroll down here to and these are all the 190. I don't want this to move. I just want this to move. Come on. Okay, and it goes all the way down to $1.
My whole clique bout it. We take yours while you pout about it. Truck, step out the.
Don't move, man. Come on, we're almost there. Almost there. Then boom, got it. And then these are my skeleton soldiers from Game of Thrones. I'm gonna post up a picture of those guys. But those guys are pretty much are the Spartans. I'll probably put, I mean, the cryptocurrencies to me are like, yeah, the 300 Spartans. Yeah, that's a lot better, the Spartans, because they're 24/7. As you can see, they're still working, or they're going down. But I got one Litecoin. Bitcoin got a fraction. It's too high for me. Bitcoin Cash at that. Bitcoin Cash is too high for me. It's 231. So if you look at these, you could gauge these like stocks. Like, look at this. Bitcoin is $8,000. I'm gonna go to my watch list. The closest thing to 8,000. So you can even compare it to. I mean, you have Berkshire Hathaway, the Class A, 309,000, and then CB. Let me see what the name of this one is called. Seaboard, 4,000. See, that's half of a Bitcoin. See, that's the only thing that I don't like about this. Oh man, the navigation on it. So let me go back to the cryptos. But yeah, I just wanted to show you like a comparison how I look at cryptocurrencies now. Like the way I invest in stocks, I do the same with the cryptocurrencies. So I have one Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, a fraction, Ethereum, a fraction. As you can see, anything above 100, I won't. I'm still on. I believe in it, so that's why I'm like, I hear a lot of people, I believe it. They believe in the blockchain technology aspect, but it's just something about it that I like, that it's working as stocks are sleeping right now. So, and I guess for me, my life, the way I've always operated, I've been a person that moved day and night. So I was like, I just like the feel of these guys. So, Bitcoin, as you can see, close to 9,000. Ethereum Classic, I got 11. So, and these are actual solid coins. These are all in the lower. So, I mean, if you're gonna invest, I would invest in Ethereum Classic and in Dogecoin. I have 4,940 Dogecoin. So, I mean, yeah, these are my Spartans. And then this Bitcoin SV, it's fairly new. It's under the range to buy, but it's just something. Probably I'll touch it when it goes lower to 50. I might grab a fraction, but see, Litecoin, I bought it when it was like around $50. Cause I was like, I think that was the most expensive for me to buy cryptocurrencies, was like at 50 right there, that 50 range. But I had to do it, so now I'm like, okay, I'm accustomed to it. So, I mean, with this one, Bitcoin SV, once I see it hitting 50, I might grab one then. Yeah, we'll see. And then after that is watch list. That's a whole nother episode. The way I got that broken down is like a science. It's a strategy. It's Genghis Khan would be like something similar to his, but got more tech in it. Okay, let's jump into it. Oh, come on. Here we are. Ticker symbol PALL. Okay, I'm trying to shrink me down. Okay, that's as small as I can go right there. Okay. I go to the 5-year. Nice upward trend for Palladium ETF. 269 people own ETFS, physical Palladium ETF, on Robinhood. So, giving you this now. Set your lineage up in the future. You can get one share of this for about $160 of this physical Palladium ETF. About. PALL tracks the palladium spot price less holding costs using palladium bullion held in London and Zurich. So it's just a different feeling. You own something, you own palladium, a precious metal. If you can't own it physically, like once I get there, then that's a whole different story. But now, I mean, just to get into that realm, I know that I'm a part owner in palladium in London and in Switzerland. Just a different game I'm playing. Monopoly on a global scale. Market cap 255.49 million. PE ratio not listed. And then dividend yield 0. I've noticed with precious metals, you're really not gonna see dividends. But the mining companies that mine for them, you will see dividends. So that's something that I've noticed. And I've seen them with gold, silver, platinum. You don't see that too much. So that's my newest addition. I'm going to go in, dive in a little deeper to the ETFS, what it really stands for, which is Standard Life Aberdeen. So that ETFS, these guys own pretty much anything precious metals from London and Switzerland. Standard Life Aberdeen PLC, formerly Standard Life PLC, is a United Kingdom-based global investment company with headquarters in Edinburgh. In March 2017, Standard Life reached an agreement to merge with the investment company Aberdeen Asset Management. Standard Life was renamed Standard Life Aberdeen on 14 August 2017 and is listed on the London Stock Exchange and is a constituent of the FTSE 100 index. The company's asset management arm operates under the Aberdeen Standard Investments brand. It is the largest active asset manager in the UK, with investments in equities, multi-asset, fixed income, real estate, and private markets. So there you have it. And these guys, so it's a company out in global stock investing in the United Kingdom. And these guys, if you see that ETFS, they're in physical palladium, physical gold, physical silver, physical platinum. And then they have another one, physical precious metals, which is a combination of all of them. And they're broken down like in ratios. So this is something interesting. And then I'm going to go to their website. Well, a little background information on Aberdeen, Standard Life Aberdeen. It's a public, it's traded in the UK Stock Exchange, Industry Financial Services, founded 1825. Wow. 194 years ago. So these are these companies that people are not even key people. You got the chairman, which is Sir Douglas Flint. Revenue about 2 million. So, okay, let's go to the website. And this is a little interesting. Okay, this is the Aberdeen Standard Physical Palladium Shares ETF website. This is the Aberdeen Standards. Because really, I was looking up the ETFS and I couldn't figure it out. And then this is who these guys are. So this is, and then I like this because it gives you a breakdown, like the product data on this side. As you can see, go through whatever what captures your attention, exposure, precious metals. They got a Volt Inspector, Inspectorate International, Volt inspected 2 times per annum, once at random. Vault location: Zurich, Switzerland, and London, England. I was like, wow. Management and administration. The sponsor is Aberdeen Standard Investments ETF. Sponsor LLC. Custodian is JP Morgan Chase. Trustee is the Bank of New York Mellon. Oh, so these guys have these guys have some nice backings. And then on this side, it just shows more in depth: ounces, assets under management, passport of countries, legal information. securities regulator, U.S. Securities and Exchange Mission, the SEC, legal structure, grantor trust, replication method, physical, backed by bullion, domicile, the U.S. So, wow. And then more to come, because I also bought the gold, physical gold. So, interesting. So yeah, that's it for this one. A little background on Palladium. Tomorrow or next Tuesday, see what company I'll be going over next. Where you at? Come on. Okay, the next one is going to be Tiffany's. Oh, why did I? Until then. See ya.